Hi there! Today we're going to talk about Twitter trends, also known as X trends. We will talk about how to identify these trends and what they should mean to you as a business. Twitter or X trends are the hot topics and hashtags that burst with popularity, reflecting the real-time mood and interests of users worldwide. For marketers, understanding these trends is not just about joining a conversation, it's about unlocking a powerful vehicle for visibility and engagement. So, why are Twitter trends so important? Twitter trends are the digital heartbeat of consumer conversation, and for marketers, they are golden opportunities. They represent what your audience cares about at this very moment, giving you a direct line to their current interests. And by tapping into these trends, you can boost your brand's relevance and connect with your audience in more meaningful ways. But when we talk about Twitter trends, you need to understand that not all trends are created equal, especially when it comes to your brand. The art lies in identifying which trends align with your business values and audience interests. It's about striking the right balance between relevance and reach, ensuring that the trend resonates with your brand's voice and message. So the key here is to weave your brand's narrative into the trend's fabric without losing your authenticity. So it's not just about visibility, it's about creating a shared story with your audience that enhances your brand position in the marketplace. A good example that I always love to share is the one done by Oreo. In the US, during the 2013 Super Bowl, there was an unexpected power outage. Oreo quickly tweeted a simple ad that read, "You can still dunk in the dark." This real-time reaction to an unforeseen event was widely praised for its wit and timeliness, demonstrating how brands can leverage current trends to engage with their audience. In our social media training programs, we always get this question: how to identify trends and create relevant content in response to trends that come to life fast and die fast. Now, one part of that is to always keep an eye out and monitor the platform. And so start by following similar brands, both partners and your competitors, and follow any accounts relevant to your industry. They may be influencers or thought leaders in the industry. These are often the trendsetters. Follow them on Twitter and other social media platforms to stay ahead of the curve on potential trends. The second thing you could do is to try and sign up for newsletters from industry news websites. They often highlight trending topics and provide insights into the next big thing. A great thing to do to monitor what's happening out there is to participate in online communities and forums related to your industry. Platforms like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, or specific Facebook groups can be great sources for trends. News outlets, especially local ones, are also great to be updated with the pulse of your community. Another thing you could do is to try to set up social listening tools. Platforms like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, or Brandwatch could be great to monitor keywords, hashtags, and conversations relevant to your brand. They would alert you to emerging trends in real time. So now that you know how to keep an eye out and monitor the platform, the second part is thinking strategically and expecting the trends before they happen. For example, you could keep an editorial calendar for trends you anticipate will be annual or recurring, like holiday shopping trends or seasonal changes relevant to your industry. You could also add international days, important events, or established trends. Google Trends can help identify search trends over time. This can be especially useful for understanding the longevity and seasonality of certain trends. Another thing to do to be able to think strategically is to understand your audience. Understanding your audience so well helps you anticipate what kind of trends they will be into, so you can be prepared in advance. Analyze your own social media data to identify what topics your audience engages with the most. Tools like X Analytics can show you what's resonating with your followers. To be able to anticipate trends, you need to also regularly conduct market research. Stay updated with market research reports and surveys that can provide insights into broader trends affecting consumer behavior and preferences. This is the closest thing we have to seeing the future. Now let's take some examples on how companies can be strategic with capitalizing on Twitter trends. So say a company specializing in eco-friendly products is launching a product line or a campaign. They can leverage the Earth Day trend by launching the campaign around this day. They could use the trending hashtags to promote their eco-friendly practices and products. They may also engage in discussions about sustainability or share tips on how to live a greener life. Now let's move to the second example. A fitness app company could take advantage of the New Year's resolution trend. They could create a campaign using hashtags like New Year's resolution or fitness goals to encourage people to download their app for a healthier lifestyle. The campaign could also include success stories, free trial memberships, and tips for staying motivated. The third example could be something like this. A fashion brand could engage with the Throwback Thursday trend by posting vintage photos of past fashion trends, possibly even from their own archives. They could then link these throwbacks to their current line, showing how vintage styles have inspired their latest collection. And the last example we're going to share today is about a tech company. A tech company who's about to launch a new gadget could time their announcement with the Consumer Electronics Show, the CES. By participating in this trend, the company can reach a larger audience interested in the latest tech developments. All these examples show that by aligning with Twitter trends that fit their brand and audience, companies can create impactful marketing moments that resonate with their target market. You see, identifying and capitalizing on trends is about connecting with your audience where their attention already lies. It's about crafting content that resonates, sparks conversation, and adds value. Our advice is to keep your finger on the pulse, stay authentic, and create content that adds value to your reader and your brand. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of Twitter trends. Profile Tree has helped hundreds of businesses with social media training. So if you need any help with managing your social platforms, we're happy to do that. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.